Hello guys, so last week we went to Lulu Hypermarket and so we just purchased this Canon M50 Mark II premium goggle kit. So it cost like almost 300 Oman riyal, which is equivalent to my salary. So it's actually my first camera. I had an interest to buy this. So let's start unboxing it. Shall we start it? Yes. So here we have got some bubble wrappers and we have got this mic compact on camera microphone with a 2 years of warranty. We have received this video micro compact on camera microphone with a 2 years of warranty. Even though this entire kit is only having a warranty for like 1 year. So let's just see what is inside it. So for that, take all the things which are inside this box and show you. So we got this phone, a mic. Also got this Gorilla Pod. I thought we'd be getting this gimbal, which provides a good video stabilization, but this will be all the useful. I had planned to buy this video stabilizer later, but since I had no idea to use this camera or any of this accessories, I'm going to learn it. I'm going to learn all of it. Finally, we have got the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So we also provided with the They also provided with a complimentary photographic pose. So only one person can participate in it. There's a warranty card. Just move this off and open it. எனக்கு 32 GB memory card is the cable for the power. Wow, what is this? I believe there's a battery charger. Yeah, the battery charger is written over here. It's not really visible enough, and there's a battery. They provide only one battery here, and for the collar to wear it. And this is the 15 to 45mm lens. They carefully packed it in the bubble wrap. Wow, it's not really that heavy. It's compact. It's like it can fit in my hand. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Can you see this? EOS M50 Mark II. So battery charger. Can you give me the Gorilla Pod? So let's just open what is this. Can you try to open it? video on. Get. Wow, so amazing. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. Finally got this. So the first camera. We never bought a camera in our life. So. Alright. See you guys later in the next video. Bye bye.